Hi guys, today we're making these awesome deer antlers. Check it out. Okay, so these are so easy to make. I used stuff from around the house. I had some felt for the ears, and the antlers are very lightweight. They're just made out of newspaper, and then I just used several coats of paint to create this wonderful antler look that's so realistic. Okay, let me show you how I did this. They are so cute. All you need is a headband. You won't even ruin it. You can take it apart if you want. I used felt for the ears, but you can use anything you want really. You can even use newspaper and just paint it. These are made of newspaper and tape. You can even use duct tape. Anything you have, you can pretty much make these, and it just turns out so awesome. Fold a piece of felt in half. I'm going to use a brown color. You're going to have two pieces to cut out an ear, which will obviously make double ears. Now we're just going to trace it onto a lighter piece of felt. As you can see, it fits right in there. I'm just using old scraps. Alright, we need to cover up the backs of these though. I'm just adding little fringe along the edge. So this darker felt is going to be my outline, and it's going to be the thing that covers up the ugly brown back. Look at the cute little tips on these ears. I made little points. Okay, this is what the antler is going to look like. You just roll up a piece of newspaper. And I'm just using floral tape to go around the edges. This is going to create actually two antlers, this one piece. Just wrap floral tape or regular tape around and cut it in half. You'll just bend them a little bit to give them some style. We're just going to wrap those together. That's nice. Now we roll up another piece and cover it with tape just to create the effect of pointy antlers. Now this one you're not going to cut in the middle, you're kind of just going to make one end longer. Cut it at the 3/4 mark. Now we'll just join those together with some more tape. Alright, get your two parts. You have to connect them now to make the final antler. This is only 1/2. You're going to have to make two of these, see? How great is this? Now we need to paint them. Well, let's join them together in the center first. Alright, I'm getting a dark paint, a brown paint, and a lighter whitish gray paint. Just use whatever you have. We're going to cover the whole thing with the dark paint. Then we're just going to dip in the brown color and just lightly stroke it along the surface. You don't want to cover everything, and you can add a little of the light color over the top, blending them together. Do whatever looks good to you. It's supposed to look rustic. Then you're going to have to flip it and do the other side as well. Alright, for the ears, I'm making my ears stick straight out the side of the headband, out to each side, and I'm just using regular tape here. Then I'm going to wrap it with some of the floral tape, because I am going to end up painting it then. Alright, now we just have to attach the antlers to the center. I'm going to wrap it with a lot of tape just to make sure it's secure. I'm going to cover that with floral tape because, like I said, we're going to be painting this just to blend it in. And then you're done. I'm going to be wearing these in my upcoming music video. I have so many exciting things coming up, I can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for watching The Classy Cheapskate. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See y'all next time.